In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make phone numbers clickable in Microsoft Word documents. Making a phone number clickable inside a document is a simple but very useful feature. When someone opens your document on a supported device, they can simply click the phone number and instantly start a call. This can be especially helpful for business documents, digital forms, resumes, or any file where you want to make it easy for someone to contact you quickly. By adding this small interactive element, you can make your documents more convenient, modern, and user-friendly. To begin, open the Microsoft Word document where you want to add the clickable phone number. Make sure the file is fully loaded and ready for editing so you can access all of Word's tools and menus. If the phone number is not yet included in your document, take a moment to type it exactly as you want it to appear. Placing the phone number clearly in your document will help readers easily find it. Once the number is visible in your document, select the entire phone number using your mouse. Carefully highlight all of the digits so that nothing is left out. This step is important because the highlighted text is what Word will convert into a clickable link. If part of the number is not selected, the link may not function correctly. After selecting the phone number, move your attention to the ribbon at the top of the screen. Click on the Insert tab, which contains tools used to add interactive elements and additional content to your document. Inside this tab, locate the option for creating a link and select it. When you click this option, a dialog box will appear that allows you to configure a hyperlink. In the window that opens, you will see a field where you can enter the address for the link. In this field, type tel followed immediately by a colon and the phone number. It is important to type the format correctly and avoid adding spaces or unnecessary characters, as this could prevent the link from working properly. This format tells the device that the link should initiate a phone call. Once the information looks correct, confirm the action by selecting the option to apply the link. The highlighted phone number in your document will now function as a clickable call link. When someone clicks it on a compatible device, their system will attempt to start a call automatically. This quick adjustment can significantly improve how accessible and interactive your documents feel. Small enhancements like this help create a smoother experience for readers and make it easier for people to reach you when needed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.